Valentine's Day.
Do you smell that?
Love in the air.
Oh yeah, it's love in the air. Happy almost Valentine's Day and welcome back to Start Your Week Right with Phil and Aliza. And today we're going to show you how to make the perfect Valentine's Day dinner even if you've got nothing planned.
Do you want to cook with me?
Oh, yes, I will.
I think you should put your rose aside because it's time to get going with the Valentine's pizza.
Okay, let's go.
We have some pre-made dough, which I'm just gonna shape into a pizza because it's all about love on Valentine's Day.
The reason why we thought this would be a good recipe for today is because personally I always forget Valentine's Day, so I never have anything planned. And not only is this like a cute idea, but it's also something you can do super last minute because it's so easy and
look at
super
this.
quick.
I'm so good. Do you think we can get this on?
Well, I'm gonna do this little extraction without hopefully tearing it apart.
Destroying my heart.
Okay, so I'm gonna start putting some tomato sauce on this pizza. Oh, wow. That's a pizza?
It's very much crooked. You know what? It's perfect just
the way it is. Maybe you can make another one.
I'll try. I'll give it a go. Should we get to the toppings then?
Let's go to the toppings.
I'll grab myself some garlic.
Oh yeah, maybe not.
Maybe not.
Maybe on just one of the pizzas. Up to you. If you love garlic and you need some, go right ahead. Right, okay, so let's put some cheese on the pizzas.
Do you want to grab yourself some mushrooms?
Yes, please. Okay.
Why do you leave the heart so empty?
Yeah, that one's a little bit of a healthier option. These look so good. I'm so excited to bake them.
It's pizza time! And look at that one! That's my favorite, it's so cute.
Yeah, I think the heart one looks way better.
Well, we don't have to share. I'll take mine, you take yours.
Perfect.
Right.
For a very happy Valentine's Day.
Yes, and wherever you are on Valentine's Day this year, enjoy time with your loved ones, with your family, with your friends, and why not have a slice of pizza?
Or with yourself and a good glass of wine and a delicious pizza. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what your favorite Valentine's Day meal are or what your Valentine's Day plans are, and see you next time. Bye.